Hey there guys, and welcome back to my channel. Long time no see. I guess 2020 has gotten to all of us and I haven't been doing videos here for a while now. But today I'm sharing a recipe that is great for autumn. First off, I started by preparing my pumpkin so I can make my own pumpkin puree. You want to cut it into halves, then get out the seeds, and then cut it into these smaller chunks so you can cook them. I always add a little bit of brown sugar when I do this for baking and a little bit of cinnamon. And then you want to add your hot water and boil that for 15 to 20 minutes and then let it cool down. In a bowl, I took the bananas, and you want to use some ripe bananas for that. And then with a fork, I just squished them into mush. Now you want to add your butter, as well as the syrup. What's it called? And the milk. And here you can see me prepare the pumpkin puree fresh. And then you want to add that to your bananas as well. Now you want to mix until it's all combined. Next up, I added in the eggs. And then again mix until it is all combined. So next up you want to add in your flour, the ground almonds, baking soda, cinnamon, nutmeg, and a pinch of salt. And again, mix until it's all combined. So now your dough is ready and you can put it into your tin. And mine was a little bit small, so I also made some muffins with that, with the rest of the dough, and it worked out perfectly. You want to bake with 180 degrees Celsius for 50 to 60 minutes. Then while it's cooling down, you want to melt the chocolate with the butter. And when that's completely melted, you want to spread it all over your cake and then just let it cool down. So now you're all done and you are ready to enjoy this very lovely cake. And yeah, I hope that I will be back with more videos and I hope to see you soon. So stay safe and healthy out there. Bye!